Hi everyone, this is Felisa. Welcome back to Homebody. So this video is actually going to be short and sweet. I'm showing you guys how I'm going to DIY these glamorous pumpkins that you see here. I actually took a look at Pinterest and saw these pumpkins created. Basically what they did was they used some fabric, a half a yard of fabric. This is a half a roll of toilet paper and some fiber film. I have my glue gun here that I'm going to be using at the end of the project. So I took my fabric and I laid it out flat, and then I took my roll of toilet paper, set it in the middle of the fabric. Then I took my polyfill and set it around the toilet paper roll, and then I just start tucking from the shorter ends on both sides that's short, and then I used the longer ends and just tucked. I tucked and played around with my pumpkin for a little bit until it developed its own little cute personality. And once it developed its pumpkin shape and cute personality, I took a little piece of burlap and rolled it up like a pumpkin stem. And I just took a dab of hot glue and stuck it inside the middle of the pumpkin and secured the stem to the pumpkin. And I think it came out super, super cute. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys look at the remainder of this video. Go ahead and subscribe to Homebody if you haven't, and be sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And at the end of this video, I'm going to let you see, just a few more of the pumpkins that I did. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.